Vegan rose pistachio truffles are so nutty and refreshing. The beauty of these truffles is the vibrant colors. These are so healthy and perfect to serve at any auspicious occasion and are so simple and easy to make with just a few ingredients. Hey everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make rose and pistachio truffles with just a few ingredients, and these are totally vegan. Add 50 grams of coconut cream to 150 grams of vegan chocolate chips. Stir it. Now I'm going to melt the chocolate in a microwave, stirring it at intervals of 30 seconds until the chocolate is completely melted. Once melted, add 5 teaspoons of chopped and roasted pistachios and 1 tablespoon of rose water. I'm now going to cover the chocolate mix in cling wrap. I'll set it in the fridge until the chocolate has firmed up, and this can take up to an hour or even an hour and a half. My chocolate has now firmed up. Using a measuring scoop of 1 tablespoon, make round balls and now coat with pistachios. Repeat the same with the rest. Now make another ganache ball. Dip it in rose petals. These are dried edible rose petals. Coat it. My vegan rose and pistachio truffles are now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.